Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's class, we're going to go over dog eyes. The last class that I published, and we talked about dog noses and how to create texture and highlight to make a really beautiful dog nose. Today, we're going to focus on the eyes. The eyes are the soul of the artwork when it comes to pet portraits. I do quite a few of these on a regular basis, so learning some of these techniques were very important to me because I think if the eyes aren't right, then it's just not right for the pet. This is Cooper. He's actually a dog I have illustrated many times, but I want to walk you through how to accomplish depth, highlight, and then we're gonna work our way into the fur. But during this class, we're gonna focus on the eyes. And the eyes are so important, and I hope that I can give you just a little advice about how to approach dog eyes. Don't let them intimidate you. They are not as difficult as some might make them. So get ready, let's go.